Hey guys, my name is Jamin. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel where I try to bring you a wide variety of computer DIY, upgrade, and repair videos. In this video, I'm working on an HP Elitebook 840 G3 laptop computer. I'll show you how to get into the computer, access your Wi-Fi card if you want to upgrade it, also how to access your heatsink, your fan assembly if you want to upgrade or swap that out. Okay, so first thing guys, I have my computer shut off. I have the power adapter unplugged. I also have it on top of an anti-static pad. Either an anti-static pad or an anti-static bracelet is a very good idea when opening up a computer to limit the chances of damaging any of the components. If you guys want help finding items like this, supplies for your repair or any of the tools I use in my video, check out the link above. It'll take you to my Amazon store where you can see the things that I use in my shop. Okay, so to start off with, I see a screw there. So 4 along the top, you got 2 here, 3 along the bottom, and 1 there, 1 in the middle. I'm gonna go and take those off now. One good hint guys, when you're taking screws out of a computer, make sure you keep different size screws together and separate from each other. Not all screws in a computer are gonna be the same width or the same length. And if you try to put the wrong screw in the wrong hole, you could end up damaging a component. So make sure your bottom case screws stay with each other, your battery screws with each other, motherboard screws. Make sure you keep your screws separate. I'm now going to take my small flat plastic pry tool, put it in near the hinge, and just give it a little pop. Pop that bottom case right up. As you can see here, there's no electrical components on this. It's just a panel, so that just pops right up. Here's the inside of the computer. I'll zoom in a little bit for you. So the next thing you want to take out before you move on to any other component in any computer repair is your battery. The idea here is we want as little power running through here as possible so as not to damage anything. So the very next component you always remove is your battery. As you can see, it's held on by 1, 2, 3 screws. So I'm going to take those out now and I'm going to keep them separate from my other screws. And then right here, there's a little black flap, plastic flap right there. You just bend that up and you pull the battery right out. And that's how you remove your battery. It plugs into that port right there with this connector. So that's how you would line it up and it just comes right out. Now that we've removed the battery, the computer is safe to proceed further into. There's your Wi-Fi card held down by a single screw, just like your solid state drive. You would undo that 1 screw, pull out your Wi-Fi card. Remember to unplug your antenna wire as well. These antenna wire run up through your hinge assembly. If you're looking for an easy part number here, it's 806-721-001. Here's your heatsink assembly, your fan. The heatsink assembly runs here over your CPU. If you're looking to get some new thermal paste or in any other way replace this assembly, you'd have to undo all these screws here, taking up the entire heatsink assembly from under this framing. Alright, so there's the operation. Not too complicated, but it does help to know what you're getting into before you start opening up a computer. If you have any questions, check out the FAQs below in the description. It could save you some time getting an answer. If you want to leave me a question or comment, feel free to do so. I do try to get to those a couple times a day at least. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.